Okay guys, welcome back. And in this training we're going to be looking at how you can get content for your membership service, your membership program, okay? Because it's not necessarily a membership site, as you know, because you didn't even need to build a site, but you will need content. Now you can go to sites like iWriter.com where you're going to get writers that you pay for content. This may or may not be a good use of your money. It depends on how many paying members you've got. But as you can see here, it says step number 1, register for a free account. Step 2, request the type of content you'd like written. Number 3, receive your content from the writer. Number 4, review your content and approve or reject it. Number 5, download your content and rinse and repeat. Now, I think what they do with iWriter is they give you the content in the form of an image. That being the case, you can't just copy and paste it, which is how you're able to see exactly what they've done for you without you paying for it. And if you don't want it, you just reject it and they go again, or you get somebody else. So this is a great way in order to get some really high quality content for a monthly membership program. And you might want to just go through and ask for some prices and see kind of what you get. So if we go over to pricing here, as you can see, you've got different levels. So standard, premium, elite, and elite plus. Now elite plus obviously is going to be like really talented people, and it might be that the standard of the premium isn't the kind of level that you want, but this could be something that could kind of supplement the stuff that you do. So you do some stuff and you hire someone to do some stuff for you as well. And let's face it, if, for example, you were getting, let's say 1,000 words of really high quality content for $72, and you had, let's say, 30 people paying $10 a month, then you got $300 a month less your cost there, if that's how you were going to provide the content. You could also go to somewhere like Upwork, where you can get a freelancer to create content for you, and there's a whole range of things that they do for you there, but there are writers as well. If we go to see all the categories, then as you can see here, we've got writing, copywriting, creative writing, sales and marketing, all sorts of things in there. Legal, not really going to apply. But there's all sorts of stuff in there that you can get at Upwork. Then of course there's Fiverr. I've just put in content writer, and a lot of this is coming up for SEO. But if we go down into here, we've got website content writing. We've got that's not very good. I will your website content writing. You want someone that's got a good command of English. I'll be your website content writer for SEO. I'll be your catchy website content writer. I'll be your website content writer or rewriter. So this is all good. The next thing you can do is go to somewhere like Big Product Store that I use and get some PLR. So if we look at this, for example, this is private label rights, all private label rights here. And if you find something that has got maybe a series of things, or you just go for like a particular niche, it might be list building, or it might be YouTube ranking, etc. You might be able to get some content there. Don't forget, what you can also do is you can go to Google and you can just search for the best ways to do this and that in order to get the content. So if your membership was going to be on ranking YouTube videos, then you could go to YouTube and Google and search for tips on how to do that from a load of different people, and combine those tips into your own content, rewrite it and put it together in a different way. Then you could put that content onto a Google document the way we did earlier on to produce our download page, and you can give them a link to that Google document from within your Facebook group. Or you can record videos using Screencast-O-Matic that I use and Google Slides. So you take this information and then you just open up Google Slides. So just go over to here, let's go to Google Slides, click on this, click on Drive, and go New, and go Google Slides. And then in here is where you start to add your information. All right, so let's say you were doing YouTube ranking. So I like to get rid of these and put my own new textbooks in, like this, and center that, choose a nice font, make it a bit bigger for the headline, fold it up, welcome to YouTube Ranking Genius. You can't even spell genius. For example, you know, and you can go to Google and YouTube, and you could find all of the tips you need to find. You just put something together like this. During this lesson, we will discover the importance of using you can see that I'm not a typist. Combination of keywords in our title, our body, and our tags, as an example, right? And then what you do is you go to Screencast-O-Matic and you click on Present, and you read through the slides. So the first one, you say, welcome to YouTube Ranking Genius. During this lesson, we'll discover the importance of using a combination of keywords in our title, our body, and our tags. Right? And you just go on. That's, you know, that's it. And then you've got video training, and you've gone and got that content from all over YouTube and Google. It's unique because it was out there, it was free, and you've put it into your own words, and you've combined everybody's little bits from everybody, so it makes it your own. And you can do that in any niche whatsoever. It's a great way to do it. The other thing you can do is go and get some high quality PLR like this from Dr. Parikh, Amit Parikh. And this, for example, was Email Marketing 3.0 Success Kit. So if your niche was email marketing, you might get a combination of these sort of things. But you can see that the front end product, $7 to $27, gives you all of this stuff. And then if you went for the upgrade, you get 20 step-by-step video tutorials. And that alone, for say $49, you've got all of that and then all of that. So for 20, say 40, 50, less than $80, you're going to get a ton of information that you could use, and then you could go and buy some more after. So there's all sorts of ways of getting content. The other thing you can do, of course, is go for one of our upgrades, and you'll get some fantastic content that's not PLR, that is high quality training, that has sold thousands already. So you might want to consider going and checking those out as well. You'll find the links to the OTOs on our access page or below this video. So there you go, guys. That is how you can get content that you can use in your membership site. Just to recap, we've got iWriter.com, we've got Upwork, Fiverr, Big Product Store, we've got high quality PLR, and then we can just go to Google if we want and find our own information, create a presentation and record it on Screencast. Very, very simple. You know, it's not rocket science. It really isn't. And you can produce some really high quality stuff. Bearing in mind, you're going to be charging $9.99 a month. So it's easy to over deliver with this kind of thing. Okay, that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next video. All the best, Trevor.